Good morning, everybody. Sorry we can't have our Fantastic Friday focus, but I have a morning meeting from 8 to 9, but I'll see you for history or science. Well, actually, you'll have science with Miss Whitfield this week, so I won't see you until Fun Friday. Okay, let's go ahead and say good morning. What's the story, Morning Glory? Bonjour. We have birthdays this month. We have Jesus, Gianni, Alexandra, and Adrian. Make sure you remind us on the day of your birthday in case we forget so we can say happy birthday, but a happy early birthday. Feel free to pause this if you want to take a look at our Class Dojo rewards. When you would like to trade in your Class Dojo points, just go ahead and email me and let me know what you want to trade them in for. What are we learning? Opinion writing. We are also still working on division, but we're going to be taking a look at division with remainders. In science, we're going to be looking at these different eras: history, colonial changes and adaptations, and in art, cubism. That will be cool to see what you create. Friendly reminder of things that are coming up. We have in-person testing coming up the week of the 24th. You will have received an email about your site, your location. And then we have work samples already coming up in February. Please make sure you guys do those. You know they're worth a lot of your grade. A friendly reminder, make sure you get your Summit courses done before Stride. Summit are required, Stride is not. And lastly, if you are in Reading Horizons, please make sure you are doing it for at least 20 minutes a day in the software. And then actually, lastly, check your email. Make sure you are checking those emails throughout the day, in the morning, middle of the day, and before you log off, okay? So we are still working on Live to Give, and today we're going to be taking a look at making a difference. How do we make a difference? No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Ugh, I think that is so true. You guys know I went out of town this last weekend, and when I was out of town, a stranger came up to me and just told me that they absolutely loved my outfit. And I was like, oh, that's so nice. Like, that made me feel really good and kind of made you feel a little more confident, right? And so I think that didn't cost them anything, but just giving those kind words to someone can really make a difference. Giving someone a high five, giving them a pat on the back, saying, hey, you did such a good job solving that problem. Little things like that can make a huge difference in someone's day. So here's something that we're going to think about. Here is this little boy, and he has $1, and he's heading to go get ice cream, but on his way, he sees somebody in need. So he has a choice to make. Is he going to continue on his way to buy ice cream, or is he going to help someone else out? What do you think? What would you do? There's not a right or wrong answer. It's his money. He can choose to get his ice cream. That's not a bad thing. He's allowed to have ice cream. He's not responsible for him. But if we can help people out, we can, right? So, what would you do? And then lastly, I want you to think about free ways that you can make a difference. What are some ways that you can make a difference in your community, in your family? What are some little ways that you can make a difference? Looking at this picture, look at he is helping this guy out by getting his shoes out of the tree. How did his shoes get in the tree? I don't know, but that's making a big difference in his life because he's getting his shoes back. It's not costing him anything, so there's lots of ways we can do things to make a difference. So I'm going to challenge you to make a difference in someone's life today. Okay? Let's see how we can make other people's lives better. That is all. Feel free to pause us at any time, go through them, read through them, think about them, pause them to think about the different things, okay? And I will see you all later. Bye bye, butterfly. Arrivederci. Bye.